Spectrum router firmware is the operating system that controls your Wi-Fi, security, and data routing. Updating it is crucial for patching security flaws, fixing bugs like dropped connections, and sometimes even improving speeds. Spectrum typically pushes updates automatically, but checking manually ensures you have the latest version. Here's how. First, access your router's settings. Connect to your Wi-Fi or use an Ethernet cable. Then type 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1 into your web browser's address bar and log in. Default credentials are often admin for the username and the password printed on the router itself. Alternatively, use the Spectrum app on your phone or tablet. Go to the Services, then Internet, and finally Router section. Both methods will allow you to see your current firmware version and check for available updates. If you encounter issues during an update, like it failing to complete, try restarting your router. If that doesn't work, contact Spectrum support at 1-800-892-4357. Make sure the auto update feature is enabled in your router settings or the Spectrum app to avoid manual checks. Outdated firmware leaves you vulnerable to cyber attacks like man-in-the-middle attacks. Cybersecurity experts emphasize that firmware updates are a first line of defense against IoT threats. Regularly updated routers correlate with a significantly lower risk of cyber attacks. Don't neglect this simple yet critical step in securing your home network. Also, if you are using your own personal router, visit the router manufacturer's website to check for updates manually.